Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be trimming trees and doing some repairs to the chimneys. We really appreciate you giving us a chance to improve our channel. Thanks so much. As you can see, these are massive trees, and we don't like that they're hanging over the house. So they are going to trim it all up. Get rid of this. So as you can see, there are a lot of tree guys here. You can actually see the front of the house right now. So the trees have all been trimmed up. I gotta get across the road. No, trees are not hitting the house anymore. The white shed burnt down before we bought the property. And yes, you're correct. It had chairs in it. There was a lot of trees, weeds and stuff over here. They cut down my plumeria, which I'm so upset about. Hopefully I'll get it to grow again. It's just that it was so tall. They cut this tree up. And then come over here where you can really see how they cut that tree up. And we're thinking of taking down this added part of the wraparound porch. It was never here before. You can see that the columns are done with just regular brick. Yes, at the bottom it's right, but at the top it's not. So we're not sure, but you can see it's in pretty rough shape. My husband is busy on the roof, knocking off all the leaves that were like 6 inches tall. I don't know if you can see all that. So now you can see that the trees have either been removed or cut up. Okay, so we call him MacGyver because he's always coming up with these inventions that may work, and they usually do, but I don't want him potentially hurting himself. It's crazy, but nothing I can do will stop him. And the one good thing is that with the rope, he knows all these knots.
Going.
I don't know if you see this, but there's buzzards flying right around, joking with them, saying that they're waiting for him. Hey, can't you take that ladder and bring down the top part and so it's even?
What do you mean?
Because right now it's extended all the way.
I
But
want it extended up high so I can just step off the ladder onto the roof. If I have to reach up and do it, it's going to be work. Now I need my bucket, my tape.
all right, so what do you mean, your life bucket?
Yeah, well first I'm going to just climb up here and see what it looks like.
All right, just be careful.
Yeah, don't worry.
There's no hospitals in this town.
You know what I mean? If I had to stop here and climb on the roof, it would be more difficult.
Yeah.
But if I climb all the way up and then step onto the roof, it's easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm not going to step on the roof, but I can see what I got to do.
Are there bricks up there that have like fallen?
No, I mean I can see where there's gaps in the flashing. I'm going to have to get to go around. And it's only, if I put my cleat in the center of the roof, it's only 15 feet from one chimney to the other, so I'll be able to walk back and forth without a problem.
Without falling?
Yeah, easily. So the first thing I need is my bucket with the cleat. I need my drill.
Okay.
And I don't need the bucket. I just need the stuff in the bucket.
Okay, so now I get the job of cleaning up the bricks, putting the ones we can reuse in a reused pile, and the other ones I'm just going to throw away. Here they are, but I have to bring it all the way over here. But because there's so many tables for this Saturday's auction, I have to go like around. You see the AC units and the trash can, I gotta go around that. Then I have to go around this table. Then I gotta go in here, and here's where the bricks are.
All right, this is me. I'm Steve. I'm up here on the roof doing some temporary repairs. Just hold my phone out here. I want to show you around. Roof's very old, original. It's got some patina, definitely from age. I went ahead, wasn't sure how this roof was going to be. It seems fairly solid. We inspected it from the attic inside. Rafters were in good shape, no termite damage or anything. I've attached basically what I call a life bucket. You buy them, and it's got this cleat you attach to the roof, and the rope attaches to your harness, which keeps you from falling off the roof. All I'm doing really, I got double chimneys here. They're in bad need of repair. I do have a chimney guy coming at some point, a mason, to fix these. But until then, I also have a roofer coming. It'll be several months before any of that work gets done. So in the interim, I'm trying to seal up any leaks around it, and there definitely were some. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go just throw some tar around and some flashing just to seal it up for the next few months until they can get up here and do it right. All right, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'm gonna go all the way around this chimney and then the next.
I can see a little bit of you. This is our lot marker. They used to make them out of metal. Cool, huh? Yeah, this is temporary. Okay, so he's saying that this is a temporary waterproofing of the, what are those things called?
Chimney.
No, the flashing. Okay, so he's waterproofing the flashing of the chimneys, because that needs to be sealed even before the roofer comes with a new roof. I want to see if I go across the street, will I be able to see him? I don't know. Now I can see you.
This is a temporary fix.
Right. So that way you don't fall. But don't worry, the buzzards will take care of you. They are. So you can see the chimney on the left looks a little more intact than the chimney on the right. But they both need, well, the chimney on the right needs more brickwork. And the chimney on both of them need the caps so that it doesn't rain into the attic. However, on the right side, you can almost see a little bit of netting. That's to stop like bats and stuff from going in. I'm sure there's some on the left as well. We just can't see it because that is more finished. So he's hoping to get a chimney guy here, a mason, but it's been so hard to try and find somebody.
It's Steve again up on the roof. Let me show you what I've been working on. Chimneys. You can see I've got the brick top repaired. We use the same old bricks, just remortared them in place. Set a new layer of brick up top in this direction to make it a little taller. Used a little bit of wire inside all the way around everywhere to keep the birds out, bats, whatever. And then put a flat top on it. It's a cement top. It's not going anywhere. Water won't hurt it. Then what we'll do later on, we'll come back, I'll scrape out all the old mortar and then repoint this, and once that's done we'll seal it. Then we'll move on to the other one on that side, rebuild that one, repoint and reseal. All right, good afternoon. Steve again up here on the roof once again, though today we're not tiring. I got most of that done yesterday, but today what I'm doing is going around. I noticed there's a lot of old popped roof nails, and I need to replace those with more modern screws. So I'll show you what I mean. This is what one of the modern screws looks like. It's got a rubber gasket on it. If you can see that, there it is. It's got a rubber gasket that when you screw it down, it becomes watertight. The old nails that are mostly holding this roof up, as you can see, they're everywhere. They're not watertight at all. A lot of them are popping up, so I'm going around screwing them in and then sealing the ones with silicone that are not popping up. So the question is, the patina on the roof, there's been some debate. I wanted to talk to you all about this. You can only get this look from a roof that's 100 years old or many decades old. There's a lot of talk from realtors, builders, and others that this patina is very sought after in high-end homes, and it's very difficult to get, except in a historic home like this built in 1907 or a similar era. So the question is, do we keep it or replace it? I could always just seal it. The issue becomes getting insurance. So if any of you have any ideas when it comes to obtaining insurance on an old roof like this, if I were to keep it and make it watertight, please let me know. As you can see, if I rip this off, you won't have this again for 100 years. So, I mean, otherwise it is watertight. And there's really no leaks in the roof. It just looks this way, but really it's fine. So thoughts would be appreciated. Thanks so much. See you next time.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.